Hi friends, here I am trying to install a Python module called Django. So when I try to install that module, I am getting an error, could not fetch URL pip.python.org simple Django. There was a problem confirming the SSL certificate. So this is the error. And it also showing that could not find a version that satisfies the requirement Django. No matching distribution font for Django. So I will show you how we can fix this issue. So for that what we have to do is we have to run this command curl https bootstrap.python.io/getpip.py. So just curl this URL and pipe to the Python. So when you run this command, actually it will update the pip. So you can see it's uninstalling pip 9.0.1 and is installing pip 10. So after that, if you try to install the module, Python module, you can see you are not you cannot see that error. So this way we can fix that issue. Just update the pip using that particular command. Okay. So please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.